I'm going to teach you how to change the date format and language settings in Google Drive, a skill that can be incredibly useful if you're working in different regions or collaborating with international teams. Whether you're organizing your own documents or handling shared files, ensuring that everyone can read and understand the date format correctly is crucial. It helps avoid confusion, keeps your data consistent, and ensures smooth collaboration across time zones. To get started, head over to your Google Drive homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive site. Once you're there, locate the specific Google Sheets file you want to adjust the settings for and either select or open that file. If you're new to Google Sheets, taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface will make the rest of the process much easier. Next, you'll want to access the file settings within Google Sheets. Look for the File option located at the top left corner of the window. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This is your gateway to all of the document configuration options. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. This is where you can control various aspects related to your file's formatting, regional adaptation, and other important preferences. After clicking on Settings, you'll notice a side pane opens with several customizable elements. Now let's move on to changing the locale. In the Settings pane, locate and click on the Locale option. This setting dictates how numbers, dates, and times are treated in the document. Choosing the right locale ensures that all your data is formatted correctly for your region, which is especially helpful when sharing files internationally. Next, find the time zone section. Selecting the correct time zone is important for tracking edits and understanding when changes were made. It also influences the timestamps in spreadsheet formulas that rely on date and time data. Adjusting both the locale and time zone ensures that everyone viewing or editing the document sees consistent information. After you've adjusted the locale and time zone to suit your needs, it's time to save your changes. To do this, simply look for the Save Settings button, usually found toward the bottom of the settings pane. Click on it to confirm and apply your new preferences. You can always revisit these settings in the future, which is especially useful when transitioning to new projects, collaborating with new teams, or working in a different country. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the date format and language settings for your Google Drive file. With these precise adjustments, you can ensure a smoother workflow, better collaboration, and fewer misunderstandings across your team. Familiarizing yourself with these options is a simple but powerful way to maintain clarity and consistency in your documents. Remember, taking the time to adjust these settings can save you countless hours of confusion down the line. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video helps simplify the process of managing your Google Drive settings. Be sure to check out more of our guides and tips to keep enhancing your productivity and make the most out of your digital workspace. Happy Google Driving!